I'm looking at these donations and making sure that they're all going to the right places. And I realize that there's this vast open area of technologically free schools. They have no computers, they have no calculators. And it's time for these kids between the ages of 4 and 8 to have the opportunity to learn how computers work. Here in Guatemala, those children between the ages of 4 and 8 years old, when they have the opportunity to use the computers, to understand the systems and how they work, the later developments from those children, when they become adults and they're writing applications, web pages, when they're doing design work, they will not be using imported designs, imported products, imported ideas. They will be using their own, because the introduction to this technology happened at a young enough age where it's part of their society, it's part of their culture. And that means that more of their cultural heritage will be preserved. I will educate young native Guatemalans on the process of repair, installations of operating systems, as well as some of the fine-tuning and some of the training that they themselves can offer to the kids. I've already hired people to start on, and they're going to be going into the schools and they're going to be showing children how to use computers. It's an incredible opportunity. So with these trained professionals, I'm starting to look at all these opportunities. I'm thinking these guys they're not just going to want to repair, they're going to want to build a website. They're going to want to learn how Java works. They're going to want to create a program that translates the native Indian languages, Cachiquel, Quiche, and Zutuil, into Spanish, and later how to translate that Spanish into English. And they're going to want to be able to write these programs themselves. Well, fortunately, I work with MAC, and MAC is absolutely incredible. They're providing the educational tools now that are needed to create these types of programs without any prior background in computer technology. So this opportunity is truly phenomenal and is truly going to change this world. So by pulling from the group of trained repair professionals and technicians, those people who really have their grasp on how computer systems work, I will be able to provide them education in coding and in HTML and in basic use of the computer for design and implementation of current projects. So this means that we'll have students coming out of the school who are educated on all of their needs to help their friends, help businesses, create businesses that are internet-based, web-based, and Mac-based. So these students are the cream of the crop. These are the guys that are going to go out and they're going to change this country. And not only are they going to be taking the education that they have, which is a ground level foundation in how to write the code, how to program the different applications, and how to build educational materials that can be spread around this country to help benefit these kids, they're also going to be doing it as a home-based idea. We're not going to be importing or exporting any other cultures. This will be their heritage and their turn to create something on these computers that is their own. So MAC is here and I am here to help this country and to get these kids what they need to educate themselves.